Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This time I'm going to review punches and chisel set from Gedore. Gedore is one of the highest quality brands from Germany, mostly famous for their automotive specialty tools, and they are seriously tough. Now let's take a look at their punches and chisel sets. It comes with this small instruction manual with code reader on it. You can scan it with your phone and it will take you to their website where you can find all the information about this product. Let's check this punch metal case first. The part number is SB116D, made in Germany. Obviously, this is a metal case in powder coat painted, very nice and high quality box. Gedore logo on this black painted part. This black emblem also metal. I tell you guys, this box is robust. In here you can see information about the pin punches. Let's open up the case. The opening mechanism is sturdy enough that it will not open accidentally while carrying it. It comes with this foam cushion for anti-rattling noise. The quality of box is top notch. Here you can see a clip is holding the carrier. This clip is removable. There are 6 punches in the box. The tip size are from 3mm to 8mm. This is 8mm design. Gedore Germany, and the size is stamped. Golden color painted on the half of the punch. This tip is nice and flat. The shank is hex shaped. It really feels a quality punch. The length of all these punches are 150mm. This one is the smallest one. Same details are stamped. Punches are used and abused in tough situations, for example pushing or persuading whatever object in machine and in automotive repair work. So when it comes to these tools, it should be a good quality in my opinion, and these looks good quality. Let's take a quick look at other punches since there is nothing more to tell about these, and then open up the other box. These all our punches are well made and forged. There is no doubt on the quality from Gedore. Let's take a look into other set. The part number is SB106D, made in Germany. It is a similar box, so I'm not going to talk about the box. Let's open up the box. Again, same kind of foam cushion for anti-rattling noise. This box comes with 2 different sizes of chisels, one splitting wedge chisel, straight and tempered shank punch, and a center punch. This punch is a tapered shank punch. Tapered shaped shank makes it a bit heavier duty as compared to the straight one. Germany, and the size info on the shank is stamped. This one is 4mm flat tip punch. We have talked about punches already. Moving on to this punch, it has tapered tip and it is very sharp, so that you can make a little divot if you're trying to drill a hole or mark something. This can also use a small aligning tool. Nice workmanship. Let's check this splitting wedge chisel out. One weird thing I wanna mention here is that these are all made in Germany, but here you can see it is stamped made in Germany while other has only German stamped on them. Anyhow, this wedge chisel has quite a sharp tip. This is also very handy, like in situations once you get something crack apart and it needs more spreading. This also comes with made in Germany stamped on it. The tip is very sharp. These chisels are cold forged, which means they are really solid and tough. They are squashed cold on the tip in manufacturing process. They are extra hard. These are used for cutting and hammering for various uses. These chisels are small and will fit in tight areas. There are bigger chisel and punches for the bigger and heavy duty work. At the end, I would say these Gedore punches and chisel set seems robust and high quality. I like these metal boxes, and these are really good quality. These boxes are very handy when doing some side jobs or mobile work. Okay guys, that's it with the review. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Consider to subscribe my channel. See you in another video.